Over the decades, car keys turned high-tech, and retailers began selling specialized electronic transponder keys. Soon, many discovered that selling modern keys required too many SKUs, too many expensive tools, and lots of employee training, so many got out of the key business. Today, suppliers of retail key programs still offer the same antiquated programs, with keys and keyless entry remotes designed for vehicles decades old. The legacy tools used represent outdated technology and require extensive training, repair, and support. Transponder keys that can be duplicated in-store only cover a small fraction of vehicles in operation today. It's the same with do-it-yourself remotes, with declining coverage with each new model year. Many are sold online at commodity prices, making it difficult for retailers to compete. The result is year-over-year category declines, slow turns, and decreasing margins. Even worse, they ignore the larger, more profitable opportunity: modern car keys, like remote keys and smart keys, the multi-billion-dollar opportunity. Consumers who drive newer vehicles have few options for replacing keys besides the dealership. It's a virtual monopoly, and a big reason why dealership keys are so expensive. With keys easily costing $300 or $400, consumers are desperate for an alternative. Car Keys Express is different. Our mission is to make replacing car keys simple and affordable again. Over the decades, we invested millions in new technologies to solve the problem of modern key replacement at retail. Today, it's easier than ever thanks to our unique universal keys and remotes, automated key machines, and do-it-yourself pairing devices. Universal keys. We made the world's first universal car keys and universal car remotes. This award-winning patented technology allows for many keys to be combined into a few keys. For the first time in history, retailers can offer a comprehensive assortment of keys by stocking just a few SKUs without the time, expense, and hassle of a big inventory commitment. Key cutting by photo. With our retail optical key scanner or the Car Keys Express app, keys can now be cut from a photo. This revolutionary technology allows retailers to offer high-profit, modern keys easily at many stores without the need for expensive key machines at every location. Users simply select the vehicle, then scan their key for easy duplication. ROX gives easy access to a new revenue stream while minimizing investments in inventory, equipment, and employee training. Automated key machines. For an even more hands-off approach, our Keys Now automated key machines use our imaging technology to cut automotive and residential keys. It's a self-contained system, including a key scanner, cutter, and inventory storage. It simplifies key replacement while offering coverage for up to 170 million vehicles. The semi-automated version requires minimal input from store employees. The fully automated vending machine version requires no input from your store staff. Retailers will enjoy increased foot traffic, incremental sales, and a great revenue share. Do-it-yourself pairing devices. Replacing keys on modern vehicles usually means you have to hook it up to a special dealership computer. Not anymore. We invented easy installers that do the same thing as the special dealership computers. Consumers simply plug the easy installer into the vehicle's standard OBD port. With the press of a button, consumers can do it themselves without the time, expense, and hassle of a dealership service appointment. Together, these innovations are changing the retail landscape, making it easier than ever for retailers to re-enter the now highly profitable key replacement industry. With Car Keys Express, what were barriers to retail success are now advantages: less inventory to stock, more product turns, less investment in tools, less employee training, increasing vehicle coverage instead of declining coverage, more foot traffic while actually growing your profits. Retailers are taking notice. Learn how Car Keys Express can help you take advantage of this multi-billion-dollar category. It's easy. Let's go.